Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get the 456 on your TikTok profile. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead first open up your TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok app, so you have to know is that what trend for the Squid Game of which was premiering on Netflix, and now the Squid Game has end and the trend is basically end as well. When the trend is gone, the certain things are gone for a while. So for example, if you still want the 456, you have to go to the Netflix and you have to find the Netflix official account. When you get the Netflix account, as I mentioned, if it was the Squid Game right away as well, you would have found a little frame on the Netflix itself, which will be a tag of 456. And when you have done that, you would have got it on your profile. You could literally get the frame, because that is also referenced a lot on the artist as well. For example, like as you can see, this is a particular frame as well. When the Netflix has uploaded the content about the Squid Game and it had allowed the particular frame to be used, all you had to do was tap on the profile itself and you will get the frame. Right now it's not eligible, it's not available, so you cannot get it. So hope this video was informative enough. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.